It's the dentist's job na.
Remember, Kuya, your mission for
Hi,
the
Bern.
day is to have your, be brave, have your teeth.
Ang ano, yung may, anuhan.
It almost feels like Naruto.
You don't really have to be brave because it's not gonna hurt. You just need to cooperate. Kuya, come here. Don't go there yet. Ay, okay na po.
With you?
Oh, yeah. Samahan ko po, ano?
Sige po,
So,
pwede
how
ko lang
are
po
you
sa
gonna clean your teeth? Wow. This almost feels like a normal chair.
Yeah.
Malagaan na sa ano kay
Sa, ano po, Claremont dati. Homeschool na siya ngayon.
ano po yung gusto ko yung darating sa pen.
Kaya nga.
Maybe how
Dati hirap na hirap
How
yung
will
mga
you clean my teeth?
Ay, sa dami na sa
how
YouTube.
will you clean my
Yan,
teeth?
YouTube din yan natuto.
Oh, tingnan mo.
Kasi naiwan namin eh, mag-cellphone. Mag-cellphone na mag-cellphone, hindi namin siya nakakausap.
Kaya tingnan mo yung speaking. Ang nakakausap niya nasa YouTube.
Hmm.
Okay, gargle.
Yes sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
Spit ha? Spit?
Ate, ano? Ano na please?
Smile, kuya, smile.
Yurish?
Ah,
Ano?
ay, hala. Pangalan ko yata nilagay ko. Sorry po.
Okay.
Nathaniel po pala yan.
Daniel, sir.
Ay, sir, hindi po kayo
By the way,
pasyente. Pauwi po kayo dun, sir.
Ilang, sir? Ilang taon na po ito?
6 po.
Mahirapan tayo nito, sir.
Ba't ilang taon na po siya?
6 po. Required kasi siya sa school. Hiningan kami ng dental certificate.
Pera mo ko ng ano? Pera mo ko ng gloves.
I would feel
Anyway sir, check up natin. Bawal muna yung video ah. Pero pag
sige po.
procedure pwede.
Okay po.
I want to be like
So dumihan mo naman mo. Tatapos na ako ah. Okay, forward tayo. Sir, dito po kayo. Bali, okay.
Ready ha, ano ha.
Don't move, kuya. Don't move.
Don't touch the doctor ha.
they're touching me.
They're just gonna clean your teeth, kuya, so that the bacteria will go away.
Okay, open. Ah, open. Sumasakit to. Painful. Papa mo, si daddy mo.
I'll hold you, okay?
Alright.
Gargle, gargle.
Slowly ha. Slowly. Okay.
Okay, got tayo minsan.
I'll go back again. Lay down. Last.
Higa ka na
Last
ulit.
tooth?
Yeah, last tooth. See, you're clean. Your mouth.
I need a
you're clean.
mirror to see.
Later, na, because the doctor needs to do something pa.
Okay. Sige,
Ah,
open,
open your mouth.
Okay. Ate Janet,
There you
ready mo
are.
lang yung fluoride.
Very
Open lang
nice.
ha. Open lang.
We're putting toothpaste, kuya.
Tapos stick retractor tayo natin.
Yeah. Your teeth are white. Super white now.
Okay, open lang ha. Okay, open lang ha. Okay, open pa, open.
Yan.
Retractor natin.
You look so funny, kuya.
Okay, open.
Open.
Okay, open lang ha. That's it. minutes. Wala mo nang
It's
yan.
like orange flavor.
Oo. Okay. Bawal din siya magbulog, sir.
Nice. You like it?
I don't see myself in the mirror.
Here. Here. See it? You see your teeth? It's clean. But still they're dark because it will just fall off by themselves.
Some are dark.
Finish na. You like it? Does it hurt or not?
It
Did it
feels
hurt?
like I want to eat now.
No. We can eat later after 1 hour though. How was it, Kuya?
I need to.
Open mo, tissue.
Yeah? See, open your mouth.
Yung sungki na yung dito.
Mayroong dalawang permanent tooth dito na molar na sira na. Ito yata yun, no? Kaya na, open your mouth niya. Ano, yung dalawa na yun sa dulo banda. Sabi niya permanent na daw yun. Pwede naman daw i-pasta yan.
Pero the rest milk tea pa rin.
Oo, tsaka yung dalawa.
Ano lang, kapit lang.